Hello, I'm Sarah. I live in Exmouth in Devon in the UK, and I'm coming to you with my first video blog from my garden. The reason I'm in the garden is because it is just the most incredible day here today, and it's been honestly an absolute joy to spend time in the garden today. Just feel the sun on your cheeks. I can see my freckles are starting to come out, and really just really feeling grateful actually for everything that I've got. And it's been a real mind shift for me this week. I think I started the week not feeling very happy. I think I was really struggling with the change in my working life. Oh, there's my cat. This is Solomon. Hello. I don't think he can understand why we're around so much at the moment. But yeah, I was really struggling with working from home, having my team working remotely, the business being completely different to how it had been or has been for the last few years. And I think I reached a point in the last couple of days where I just thought, I'm just going to have to just accept this is my new normal. I can't change it. I'm just going to make the most of my days and my time. And actually, I've got so much to be grateful for. Me and my family are currently all well and happy. And actually, that's not something you can take for granted, is it, these days? So I'm really trying to practice gratitude and do as much as I can for my mental health and my health as much as I can every day and stay in a good place. Although, you know, crikey, as I say, I've got a lot to be grateful for, so that shouldn't be too hard. But I'm not going to beat myself up on those days where I'm feeling a bit miserable, because, hey, there's some miserable stuff going on out there, and life has changed significantly for us all in recent weeks and months, for some people, of course, in other countries. So what else have I been doing? I've been really making the most of this time that we get every day to exercise. I'm a mad keen road cyclist, so I've been out on my bike probably every other day. This morning I went out for a couple of hours when the roads were quieter. I'm a morning exerciser as a general rule. If I'm not cycling, I'm walking with one or both kids, taking them on a nice long walk, because for me, it's really important to get those endorphins kind of going. We've also been known to be doing some HIIT or circuit sessions in the garden and that sort of thing. And I've also been doing some good deeds. So as much as I can, helping out people who maybe are in a worse situation than me. So today I've been shopping for a couple who've got the virus and are feeling pretty groggy at the moment, and needed somebody to go and get them some essentials, and also doing the same for my parents who are vulnerable, so making sure that they've got all they need. So that's how it's been today and this week. So that's it from me for my first video diary, and I'll update you next week with what's been going on.